and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play evil ways. You will need two chords, G minor 7 and C. We introduce another chord a little later, but we'll get to it. It's D chord. But for the most part, we just need G minor 7 and C. The way that I'm playing G minor 7 is I'm holding my index finger over both strings E and A, and then my middle finger is on the 2nd fret of C string. And then C is just, I'm playing with the ring finger. Now the tricky part about this song is the strumming. So I'll give you 3 options: the super easy, the easy, and the more advanced. So for the easy, I just want 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So take note of the beats where we switch to C. G minor 7 is always on beat 1. 1 and 2 and the first time we play C, it's on beat 3. The second time, it's on the and after 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the super easy strumming pattern. A little bit more challenging, you're going to be doing down, up, down, up. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And now the real advanced strumming pattern sounds like this. So what am I doing? It's down, up, mute, up. And same thing for C. Down, up, mute, up. And then same thing for the next G minor 7. Down, mute, without the up, because that's when we're switching to the C. Up, up, mute, up. So that last C is like the most challenging bit. It's the up, mute, up. If you can crush that, then you can do the more advanced strumming pattern. So again, the more advanced one sounds like this. 1 and 2 and ready, go now. Down, mute, up, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, mute, up. Now let's use those 2 chords and the strumming pattern that you've chosen to play through some of the song. But before we do that, please hit the like button so that we get this video seen by more people. Thank you. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Baby. Changes a little bit. Lord knows you've got to change. And we go back to the pattern that we already learned. So let's learn the section where we introduce D chord. Okay, so when we introduce D chord, it's on the word this can go on. And we're going to do an immediate stop. So let me give you all 3 options: easy, medium, and more challenging for how to strum that section. So if you're going to do the easy, I want you to do 5 strums on D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and stop your strings so that you have that dramatic moment. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and strum and stop. Now, if you're going to do slightly more advanced, it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you can count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And now for my more challenging people, it's going to be down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down. Again, go. Down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down. So that phrase will sound like this. This can go on. Lord knows you've got to. And back to like the phrase. So now you know everything you need to be able to play this song, but it's always much more fun when we play some of it. So let's try it. Alrighty, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready and ring. Baby, before I stop loving you, you've got to change. Baby, you would like me to teach next in the comments down below. And if you would like to support this channel, there are many ways to do so. 1, you can subscribe. 2, if you like the song sheets, you sign up for my Patreon fam. And 3, if you like my earrings, you can buy those at my shop. I package them myself and send them out to you. And if you want a gift message, let me know and I can do that too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!